Children, our next question says Rohit collected 20,815 stamps. So in total he has collected 20,815 stamps. 936 were from USA, okay, and 18,319 from India. So in total he has collected 20,815 stamps. Out of this, 936 were from USA and 18,390 from India. Out of this is not written, that you have to think. Okay, total collection is 20,815, and out of this 936 he took from USA, 18,390 from India. So now they are asking how many are there from other countries. So he has collected it from many countries. That also we can derive from this question. It's not written, but you have to think like that he went to many countries. First he went to USA, he collected 936 stamps. Then he went to India, he collected 18,390 stamps. Then total number of then he went to some other country. We don't know which country. Some country he went, and total number of stamps he collected was 20,815. Now you have to find the number of stamps that he collected from some other country, right? So let's do it now. It's easy to understand now? Yes? So we will write. First we will add from USA how much he got. From USA how much he got? 936 stamps. And from India how much? 18,390 stamps. Right? So total stamps that were collected from these two countries. Which two countries? We can write USA and India is equal to 936 which were collected from USA and 18,390 which were collected from India. How much is this total? We shall do the total here in rough. I will write the big number above so that there will be no confusion. Now let's add it. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 3, 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9, 1. So total he collected 19,326 stamps from India and USA, from these two countries. Now the second part of the question says, but total number of stamps kitne? Total number of stamps are 20,815, right? So stamps from other countries will be how much? If I subtract these two countries' stamp number with the total number of stamps, right? So total number of stamps is 20,815 minus these two countries 19,326. Right? Now let's do the rough work. I'll do it here so that you can understand separately. Now let's subtract it. (15 minus 6, 9, 0). From 0 I cannot subtract 2, so it will go and borrow, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 3, 4. 1, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Sorry, 10 minus 9 is 1. So total how much? 1489 stamps. So answer we can write as, so who Rohit collected 1489 stamps from other countries. There were two parts of the questions, right? Did you get it? And we have calculated both. From USA and India, two countries, he has collected these many stamps, 19,326. And from other countries, he has collected 1489, which we calculated here, 1489. And in question they are asking how many are there from other countries, so we will write only that answer. Now you can pause the video and note it down.